In this video for the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over sections Q and R, kitchen, front, and left bay windows. The pieces of the windows are removed and prepared, but before painting, the upper and lower window seal parts are pre-assembled by aligning the notches and making an effort to create an even reveal of the stair-step pieces. These are then primed and painted with the semi-gloss white. The upper and lower window seals are installed in each of the bay windows and allowed to dry. Next, the pre-assembled window sashes are installed and the exterior trim is applied to the outside of each window. The bay window seal is then installed on the interior. The interior trim pieces are not installed until a later point when the painting and wallpaper have been completed on the inside. Thanks for watching.